Testing, testing. The music is in. My voice is in. CB is here. Hello, buddy. Excellent. Okay, we'll set up things up. So so here I guess we could open.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hello, Fragbird. How are you, my friend? I saw you finished your ride yesterday. Good, you survived. I did one today, this morning. I felt it was early, from 7 a.m. doing like an hour of, is it spikes? You call that in English? Just like, you know, going to zone whatever and then go down and go up for 2 minutes, go down. An hour of that before breakfast. That was fun. But it was okay. It was okay. I feel more comfortable. Like I'm very happy because I feel more comfortable these days on my bike's saddle. I think it's saddle. Okay, I'm just trying to set up things here. Demo and then what are n8n. Cool, so we have that. So now I go here, open VS Code. Oh yeah, we were in light mode. Let's change that. That's not bad. Let's go with this one today. Okay. Yeah. Hello, bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream, everybody. Everybody. The one person that is there. But you know, I do that to force me to code and like walk the talk and stay real and take feedback and stuff like that. So I didn't prep at all. I was just before the stream updating my machine just to make sure I had the latest packages and stuff because I'm running on Omarchi. If you didn't know, let's go here. I'm running Omarchi. So if I go to here and I go, we can see that it's Omarchi. So it's a Arch, a Linux distribution that is very, very alive, updating a lot often and everything. The plan of today is to work on n8n connector that we start working the past streams. Oh, that thing is not going away. Soup. Yeah. And so we were working on the connector for n8n. I don't think it's still running. So I guess I should be, let's see if we look in the history. Oh, maybe I could just do that. I guess no, because, oh yeah, okay, I could do that. So if I go here now, if I go, I have no idea what was the URL though. I guess it will be localhost. This. Oh, great. Excellent. So we were working on a connector. So we build a connector. And if we go here, Reca, we have our connector. There's a real version that is hosted and available at Reca, but we're working on the next release. So we're right now working on the prompt action. I think it's detect an image, prompt about an image, and prompt about a small video. If I zoom, it will be here. So those three, those are the one we are currently working on. And last time, so how you do that, like it's in TypeScript, you code that, you kind of package that, and you know, in the back is just APIs, calls and stuff like that. But I'm guessing trying to use the parameter, like the structure of those connectors. So if I click one, so prompt for image, that's what the UI look like. But when we try to execute this, we were getting an error. So I believe that this is because I don't structure my API call correctly. So the point of today is find a way, and like unfortunately, or maybe fortunately for you, I guess unfortunately for everybody, is to debug that. So, because I'm sure it's obvious, it's like, oh, like that parameter should be like 2 levels down, and it's like at the root. You know, that's why the request is not working, right? The payload. So, I think what I will do is I will use a request bin or one of those services and try to investigate that. So that's the plan of today. And obviously, I'll go in my corner so you could see better than that. And feel free to ask any questions about AI, about n8n, about Reca, about life. It's a safe place. It's just for fun. Whatever you're watching on YouTube or on Twitch, we're streaming on both platforms. You can subscribe or follow depending on the platform. And what else? You could play the game. So if you are on Twitch, there's a bunch of command with exclamation point. Some command follow also on YouTube, but some don't. So for example, that's not the command I was looking for. This is the command drop. That's a game that InstaFluff created, and you could try to land on that target. That I should change because it's not supposed to be winter anymore. I'm glad Freda the cat didn't land on the first try. Okay, cool. So that's what we have. So I have this. Yes, let's go here. Let's try to remember where we were. What was the status? So I think here I want to change that URL. If I change that URL, it will pass, and then I will be able to see how it looks. And I'm not sure who we were talking to before. So let's see if it was Claude. Yeah. Let's go with request bin. Will it be public if I do that? Get the URL to collect HTTP or webhook requests, inspect them. Yeah. Okay. I'll go just in. How should I do that? Let's go in secret for 2 seconds. I like that scene. That was AI generated, if you didn't guess. I use Krug for that. Is it how you say that? Krug? Okay, so I think I have my stuff. So let's go back to a scene. I'll go in my corner. So now we could go in the code. And so I don't need Cloud for now. Let's change this. Can I? Does it support comments in the middle of it? Let's see. So I'm guessing that's it. That's all I need. So now here I could clear. I could do npm run build. It's built successfully. Every time we build, we have a link, like you know, kind of a. Yeah, link is the good word, right? A pointer, kind of. So we just need to restart our container, and now we should have the good version here. So if I restart this, should be able to do this. Come on. Hey. Hello, Habhai. What are we building? Seems to be something complex. Yes and no.
Hi.
Hey GT, hello. Do you know the platform n8n? I don't know. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Abby? It's a integration platform. You could connect a bunch of different things together. So let's say you have laugh. You have, let's say, an API, email, some mail services, whatever, right? Then you could say, hey, each time X happened, and like connect to this thing and then do that. So like it's a workflow. You have different workflow. So, and it's doesn't require any code. What I'm doing today is building one of those connector so people can use Recraft Vision AI to do different things. Analyzing an image, getting the position of an object inside an image. There's already a clip. We did that a few streams ago. So if you have a longer YouTube video, for example, and you want to chop it in section, but use AI to decide when to chop it and add caption and all those stuff, that already, it's done already, and it's published, and you could have it right now. But right now we're working on another one where we say, okay, find me the face in that image or something like that. Yes, it's automation. Abby is good. I don't know, like I don't know how to pronounce the Habai. Abai, Hebai. I was saying it very in a French way. So I think right now we could try to execute this. So it worked. We should have the payload here somewhere. Cool. So we can understand what was missing. So the type looks good. I want to see it, but I want to see it in a JSON format because it looks exactly like how I'm supposed to see it. So yeah, so n8n is a free. It could be free platform to do automation, a lot of automation, and there's AI also in there. If you want it for free, you host it on your own machine. I'm running it in a container, so like you could run it for free, or if you go at n8n, like, and let me put it here, so n8n.io. Now I can share where this thing is going. So you will end here. So you have a free community that can help you with a lot of automation. That's what like a flow, and that's an example of flow with a specific agent. But you don't necessarily need to have agent. You could have like a bunch of different flows. So each time there's like, I don't know, like a new tweet, I want this to happen. Each time I have an email, do something. Or for example, if we go into integration and we look at Reca, because I have a template that I created in the past. So Reca, that's the company I'm working for, and that's why we're building that today. So we have a connector that does a bunch of stuff, and we have one template. If we look at this template, this is it. That's the template. Can I make that bigger? I cannot make that bigger. That's unfortunate. If I zoom. So here, each time, like, so you attach that flow to a YouTube channel. So each time there's a new video, it will connect to Reca to create a clip. And then it will kind of like loop waiting for that clip to be ready, because, you know, like you need to upload the video, analyze the video, do the cut, and then render a new video, so it could be like vertical and something like that. And when it's ready, we'll send you an email, and if it's not working, something bad happened, it will also send you an email like with an error. So that's a workflow. And right now we're working, so I can add more workflow, not just like clipping stuff, though it's cool, but you know. So I want to see that, but as a JSON. Can I see that as a JSON? Yes, I am building this for Rec. Oh, I'm building this. Yeah, kind of for Reca. I'm building that so people can use it. It will be free. It's already there. Like what you see was already there, and it's free. So it's using Reca services. So I'm building tools so people could just build on top of that and do things. But the tools I'm building are 99% of the time free. And there's definitely brilliant people at Reca, yes. Okay, so I have my message. So message, role, user. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Right, buddy. How can I put details in it? Nope. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so if we look at the documentation, oh, that's cool. That effect here. If we look at the documentation, if I go at docs.reca.ai. Hey, hello, Stony. That command was a movie that doesn't exist. What? Why it's free, Abby? That's a good question. So the tools are free. That's my point. Like everything I build are kind of like simplified version or prototypes. Oh, you know what? Let's share something we launched today. So if I go at Rec AI, again, I will share that in the chat. If I go at Rec AI, that's our website. And today what we release, if you go into resources, now you have simple apps. And those are right now things we worked, and this is what we are working on right now. So a different example, piece of code that you could go, and let's say you want to go here, you click, I will open a new tab, and like that's in GitHub repository, you have like the full app showing you how to use and connect and fetch and stuff like that. It will request an API key to like use AI. You could get one for free with like limited access, and then like if you like that, then for your business or your own usage, you decide to move forward and you need more, then you could pay to get more. But like the toolings are free. And because they are basic, it's just like kind of like demos. That's why they are free. And for the n8n connector, right now it's free. I don't think I will make those connector paid version. Like I want to have connector that are free because you need already an API key. So I think it's limiting enough. But yeah, if you know, you know. The command you shared earlier, Stony, is it what you're referring to? Did I miss something? Did I miss a previous message? No. Okay, that was the previous command you shared with me. So yeah, so like we shared that today. That's a new page available on our website, and there's a lot of thing we worked on this tree. Ah, you watched the movie that doesn't exist. Okay. Now I get it. And was it good? So the payload should look like this. So this is our model, the content, right? So we start with model. Here it's Recraft Flash in our case. Can I move you, let's say here? Excellent. And can I change the width of that? Oh, maybe if I do this, no? Cannot change that? Okay. So we have model, so model Recraft Flash, that's good. Then I have message, yeah, message plural, and in there I have role with user and content. Inside content I have, maybe that's the thing. This needs to be an object. Maybe that's what's missing. I'm about to graduate from computer sciences because my parents want me to, and going to switch my career to management because I was unable to understand coding at all. Okay. I'm about to graduate from computer science because my... I don't get it though. You're about to graduate in computer sciences, but then what? You're teasing me though. Like, give me more details in Discord so I could, you know, not watch it either. Also, I mean. But yeah, but like, I mean, management is good too, Abby. So, type. Okay, cool. Yeah, if I can connect. So, content. So, look like this needs to be an object, and the second section. Oh, that one. Oh no, what? Oh, that's the thing. So that one needs to be inside an object. So type image URL and then yeah, type image URL. Wow, it's all mixed up. And image URL and URL needs to be together, and then type text. Okay, yeah. Let's review the code. My parents want me to study computer sciences, so I did it. Now I'm switching my career to business management. Oh, yeah, it's good. I did that too. So I did study when I started university in something very specific, but let's call it computer sciences. And then after one session, I was very afraid that how can I explain my feeling? I felt like I will be not talking to anybody, working alone, kind of like, you know, like how they build the cars, and like I will be like fixing that one bolt all the time without knowing what we're building, or, you know, be getting involved and stuff like that. I was like, nah, I cannot do that. I did the pause. I study in a business university. I didn't finish either, life stuff on my side, but I learned a lot. And when it was time to get back to school, after I fixed all the financial issue, let's put it that way, I was like, okay. Oh, and then like my brother was in computer sciences and telling me like, no, like there's a lot of people and you can do this and can do that. So I decided to go back into computer sciences. But my background in business helped me, I think, a lot. Okay, so we need to fix that. So right now we need to get this, and we don't. So let's go here. Let's go where we build that stuff. Image chat. Yeah, let's move this here so it's a little bit bigger. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I feel like it should be like that. Oh, here it's double. So should it be double here? Maybe I need to double it. I feel I should escape it. Okay, let's rebuild it. Wonderful. So now we can go here. Just restart our container. Go back on the browser. Refresh this. I can make it like this. I don't know if... Okay. Just, I'm changing the text here just so I know it's different. Okay. So now if we go here, I'm guessing that's the one. I don't feel it. I don't think it changed anything. Okay, so Buddy has two object model, like messages and model. That's good. So messages should have 1 and 2, but there's only one. No, there's 2. Yeah, it's an object with 2, role and content. So we have role and we have content. And inside content, it should be 2 objects, but there's 3. Okay, let's try something. Let's try something. It was nice to have you, Abby. Feel free to join us anytime. It was nice having you. Have a good day. And a good night, I mean. Okay. I'm trying to have this format created, this content created. This is a n8n. This code is creating a payload for an API call, and I'm trying to build the body that looks like this. Cool. And now if I do this and I do but I'm having trouble. No. But I'm having trouble with the text and the image URL. They are not in the object. They are kind of like listed. Let's see what it does. Let's try to. Who tried to land it? Was just some automation. Yeah, bumping Freda so she doesn't land. Yay! Yeah, wonderful. I landed. Wait, what? What are you changing now? Why going to 1? It was just like a glitch of the. Are you just like removing spaces? So the major, I need to update. The major thing it did was, no, not that one, image prompt, this one. So it make it 1, so text is now 1. Was it because both were at the same thing? So now this is 0 and that one is 1. Okay, let's try it. Maybe I did a copy paste and I should have changed, so now they were overriding each other. I don't know. Let's give it a try. So let's close this. Let's refreshed. Let's change this. Let's put in a sad way. I guess before the end of the stream, I will be missing way to describe this image. Wait, what? In a funny way. In a sad way. Okay, so now. Yeah, now it looks better, right? If I want to see that as a Jason, why are you showing me this way? Oh, here, I see it. No, that's the response. Input, yeah, I don't see it. So content. Content is 2. So there's that one and there's that one. So now that should work. It was just an index kind of thing. I wish we could just like append instead of like being how do you say that? Now I see, Stony. Okay, okay. That's good. So let's go back to here, put our real URL like this. Oh, and also I asked the team like, hey, can you know, instead of like having, so you know, oh, it's here. I'm having in the code there's like image URL and video URL and PDF URL, and like I said, well, can we put media URL and make it generic? And it's for a good reason. It's the standard. OpenAI created that standard, so we're trying to follow the standard. Not we're trying, we are following the standard. So that's why we need to use this. So we cannot change it. Got my response and I was like, oh, that makes sense. It's sad, but that makes sense. Did I rebuild? Forgot. Okay. Let's restart the container. So now we can go here, close this, refresh. Whoops. Cool. And let's keep the sad way. How can AI describe the image in a sad way? Oh, bad request. Check your parameter. Messages is missing or poorly pass. Mr. I don't get it. It looks like to me that you have it perfectly. Oh, copy value. Cool. If I go now here in a new page, can I paste it? Excellent. Can I format? Ah, excellent. So that's what I have. And let's look at what I'm supposed to have. Ah, now we talk. So if I go back here and take this thing, and let's create a new page again. Let's paste this. Let's remove you. Let's remove you. So message, right? Did I spell it correctly? Yeah. So inside message, I have role, user, if I bring that up just for clarity, right? And a comma here. So that match, and then message, brackets, curly brackets, role, user, content. I mean, it looks good to me. What's wrong? Oh, here? No. I don't get it. It looks good. Do I need to add the completion? Maybe that's the thing. So, oh, I don't like Recraft Flash is the model. Okay, so let's go here and look at QA image chat. So here was specifying chat. That's what I do here too, right? Yeah. Ask a question about an image in the library, and I'm doing this. I don't get why it's not okay. if I use another image, let's say I'm using, is this image a valid image? Yes, it's way shorter. So let's try to use this instead. No, still an error. Character message is missing or improperly pass. And here, maybe we need to pass it at completions. Let's try to change that. So let's close this one. All right, and add completion here. Maybe we need that. Let's save, cool. Let's try again. Going here, restarting the container. Let's try funny without, oh, I guess I need to restart, right? I need to refresh, I mean. So I needed to have completion. Okay, cool. A cat checking the keyboard like he's a pro hacker with a sharp claws. That's funny. It did what it's supposed to do. Now I'm looking forward to see the sad one though. Okay, so I needed to use completion. Okay, so I was, oh, was it just completion since the beginning? Maybe it was that. I feel we removed completion at some point previously. Okay, so now we have that. Yeah, it's working. Prompt. Should we make it bigger, maybe? Model, that's good. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, so if we go back here, I should totally commit this. I'm having some flare in my screen. Fix, update. Yeah, cool. Okay. And now I need to reload apparently for my extensions to get better. Let's refresh. Cool. So here, have string for the type. What other type do I have? Here it's options. How do I if I do this, will you show me the option number, string? I guess string is just what I make sense. Okay. Can I put a default is here, cool. Is there... I feel there's a way to have multiple lines, right? Did I dream that? I mean, we can always expand it that way. Maybe it's better this way, so it's just like... Let's check in the doc. n8n custom node a field type. Okay, so type options. So field type, I have checkbox, date, blah 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 blah. Text. Oh, text area. That make more sense. I prefer that. Let's try text area. Wait, what? That doesn't, but... Oh, that's row. I want... Where is it? Prompt. Prompt. The type is a string. Can I put text area? Nope. A field type. I feel like I'm looking two different things. Defining a form. Yeah, no, it's not a form. Like, is it a form? I don't know. Include hidden field. Oh. I could put hidden field. Yes. Okay, but those are n8n form. That's not what I want. Is it what I want? I don't think so. feel this is what I'm looking for. Let's give it a try. And let's try to remove, for example, the user stuff. So here, type is string, and then type option is multi-line. And let's remove the role. Can I do this? No, huh? Object literal may only specify no probably hidden, does not type. So it's a inode property. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Whoops. Okay, so we have that. So here, if I'm looking for node, okay. Let's keep it there then. I guess we could put it in the previous stuff. But for now, what I mean is, like here, the prompt, not the prompt, but the role here, this, I guess I can put it. Oh, I was trying to do it. Can I remove this? Let's give it a try. Don't save, and we can close that. Don't save. Okay, cool. Yeah, so right. Okay, let's build that, and after that we'll be able to make the two others actions. Okay, that was fast. And now we can go here and do a refresh. That was fast, but okay, cool. And now we say in a sad way. Role is still there. What if I say Reca and I say prompt about an image? Role is still there, image is still, prompt is still simple. Let's go personal. Let's archive this. Let's refresh. We did rebuild, right? I guess prompt about an image. I'm jumping with you. Yeah, no. Not a lot of people are lending today, though I did. But I think I'm the one. Oh, so Fred or the cat. But I'm the one who lended today. But I think I'm also the one who tried it the most. So let's try again. Let's rebuild. Totally rigged then. Of course it is. Of course it is. So let's restart. That doesn't look bad, GT. I think you may got it this time. Nope. That was close. It's to give you hope. It's like mostly there. Create a workflow. Manual trigger. Let's add Recraft Vision. And let's add the prompt about an image. Was it the one we're working on? Yes, but that didn't do anything. So, prompt about an image. Oh. Okay. It's a good one, but the prompt is still not like multi-line. Okay, n8n. No, Fragbird. The game is just the game. You cannot win all the time, otherwise it wouldn't be a game. GT just like, screw it. But you cannot land all the time, guys. Come on. It would be very... See? And now you landed. It even like... 29. Yeah, definitely. And now Fred, I was just kind of like, yeah, screw you guys. Core node type. Oh man, like the duck is not the best, I think, or it's me. Chat date image. core node. Code. n8n. What is n8n? No. So I guess it's form, but it's in the form. Or maybe it is. Or maybe it's an action. No, those are integration. I don't want integration. Build your node. Node UI element. Code standard versioning. Yeah, you're giving me example, but yeah, see type option password. It's a string type option password. Oh, type option 4 rows. Maybe I can try that. Rows and a number. So here we could remove that part. I don't like having it here. We can remove this yay. Oops. Like that. Okay. So now if we go here, we can re-enable this section. Great. And now if we go to the prompt, here it was rows and 4. Mr. Freak, hello. What I am coding? Oh, did you miss this stuff? Like, seriously, what are you coding? I'm coding n8n connector. n8n is an integration or automation platform where you, with like a workflow, you interconnect a bunch of different APIs and structure and like services and stuff like that. And we're building a connector so you could use Recraft AI and use the Vision AI. So like, for example, right now, the feature we're working on, we're adding, because like the connector already exists, we're adding the fact that you could ask a question about the specific image. And after that will be, say, like detect. So detect the position of the face in that picture or something like that. That's what I'm coding. Coding the connector. Did I answer your question? Or was it the delay that you're asking? What I'm at? Oh, I'm missing messages here. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we have that. So let's add 2. Just to make sure I have the good version. Let's recompile. Nice. Yes, it is nice indeed. So now we just have to start the container. Cool, and now we can go here and let's refresh this thing. I want to pick this image. So now it didn't do anything. The prompt is still let's reload. Oh, is it you just on the corner? Oh man, that was close indeed. That was close indeed. Okay, so let's re-add the node, and we were doing like a prompt about an image. Where did I add the two? It was in the description. Well, it still doesn't work. I'm not sure why it's not working. If I expand, yeah. I know it was the prompt, but still. So the description in a sad way is the cat inflator responsible for this media has been murdered. Okay, whatever. I'm not sure I understand. GT55. See? You know, you'll get there. You'll get there. I'm waiting for a package. That's why I keep checking my my phone, guys. Sorry. Okay, so look like I don't know why, but I cannot make that text bigger. Not sure why, because we did. Oh, wait. Prompt. No, I did. Prompt description. Prompt about an image. Are we doing the good thing? Maybe we don't have the latest version, because prompt or question to ask about a video. Ah, damn it. No. Prompt or question to ask about the video too. That's not what we see. That's image chat, not image prompt. Image, I'm not modifying the good one. Oh, damn it. That's why all that. They are too similar. Damn it. Revert. Okay, image, so let's close this one. Image prompt, that's the one we're looking. Damn it. Oh, so maybe I could remove, I'm sad. Okay, so prompt, here, let's put prompt about an image. Let's put a 2. And then it was, I forgot what it is. I still have that in my clipboard. Nope. It was type option type. I forgot. Type options. And it was whoa. Okay. Do you have a multi? Let's go with rows, and let's put 4, because, you know, yeah, we need a comma here. Excellent. And let's retry to remove the role. If I do this, I save. So let's try to re-add this. Okay. Let's try again. And we go here and restart the container, and we go on the website. We close this, we refresh. See, that's why we need like the trace. I was here, you know, when like back in the day when you do trace and you say here 24, 26, whatever, you know, you put like log messages. It's still valid. So now if I go here, look at that. We have 4 lines, and if I mouse over, I see prompt about an image 2. So we're at the good place. So let's go energetic. I don't know how to spell that. Let's try if the role is passed. Yes, cool, and we don't have it. It's useless to have it. I thought someone landed. Nobody landed. Who jumped? Was it Fragbird? Yeah. No, it's because I use a unified chat. I use this. Oh, let me move it. I use a unified chat, so I don't see the exclamation point command, so it's a little bit less noisy. So it helped me to follow better the conversation. So when you just drop, I don't see it. If and right now in the screen we don't see it's you. I just see the emoji you use. That's why I was not rubbing in it. I wouldn't do that. I really like the fact that we don't have the useless parameter. Cool. Oh, what was it? It's here. So show that cat playing with the keyboard while holding a strange pen in his mouth. Really? That's energetic, but the cat was holding a pen? No, it's not a pen. We call that a tongue. Okay, so we have that. I really like the bigger prompt section. I like that we don't have the user. It's pass, as we can see here. Where is it? Role, I mean. Oh, it passed assistant. No, that's the output. Whatever. So it's passed as a user. That I love that. Okay, so we can. Well, we'll keep that here because I'm guessing we'll need it soon. But let's go here so we can remove this section entirely. And we can remove from the prompt. We can remove the 2. Boop, boop. Voila. Ah, that's wonderful. Yeah, no. Frog usually doesn't fly very well, Fragburn. I'm not saying anything, but you know, I was right. Oh, I never noticed the mouth is. Ah. I like those emojis. She's awesome. It's the same artist who created the game who created my emoji. She does so much a great job. Okay, so now which one we do? So we have the image prompt. We could do the video prompt because it will be mostly the same thing, except it will be video instead of image. I think we could do that. So we could just copy paste and let's rename. And instead of image, it will be video. Video prompt. And let's put this here and commit this. Okay, cool. So now, image prompt param, it will be video. All right, I have to wrap some stuff. It was nice having you today, sir. See you Friday for your fantastic Friday. See you later, man. Cool, so we're done with that. Here, so we had prompt about an image. Do we have prompt about a small video? Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe we could change it. Small video prompt action. Can I reduce this a little bit more? Why I feel it's split? Is it split? Is there 2? No, there's only 1. Okay, it was just a refresh thing. Cool. We could keep it very small. Oh yeah. Let's routing. We can copy and paste that. And here we can remove this line since image is done. Image prompt, small video prompt. Maybe I should do small. Small video prompt, maybe. Yeah, let's rename that. And let's call small video param. And yeah. I love AI sometime. Oh, let's add it first to the top. Et ben voilà. Instead of chat, let's go prompt. Prompts plural. So it looks good. Now, do I have a video somewhere that is a short video? That's the question. Do I have one? I need a short video. See, now the type is video URL and I pass video URL. That's what I did. But I need a video. Oh, no, exam.com. $30 seconds, those are too long. 3 meg. I guess that could be cool. Was it the image URL? Oh, cool, it's the URL. Excellent. Okay, so we need to build it. So we could just like, nope, we could just rebuild it. Cool, it's built. So now we could go here, restart the container. And then we can go here. We can close that. We can refresh our container, our tab. We can remove this, add a new node. So now we are doing a prompt with a video, a small video. The video URL is this. Let's just, so it takes more time and it worked. So a scene in a lush green park with tall tree provide shade. In the middle ground, there's a glimpse of a red road bike parked between trees. The camera moved gently toward the left. Was it going to the left or the right? Revealing a park behind the bike. The scene shift to the right, showing more trees, some small building, and a variety of park cars. Boom! Done! That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Why I am not receiving my package, Amazon? Will I receive it tonight? Are they doing that where you live? Sometime here I received the package and it's like after 10 p.m. It's like, like, so it spent the entire night outside. I hate when it does that. Cool. We're just done with the prompt about the small video. That was easy. That was easy. But now that we know how it works, right? So we can do this and say, yep, all of it. Boom. Oh, I'm doing in time. Let's try to squeeze the next one. Fred had a cat trying to land. I need to beat GT. GT, now you're leading, right? If I'm looking at my admin console, I will know it right away. So yeah, GT with 55. That's your best. And I'm 32. And I look like it will still be 32. Look like you're going slowly, so you will just follow the wall like us. Yeah, just like me. Sorry for the snap. I should have closed the... Okay, so now the one we want to do is detect. I'm not sure how I want to do it. Did I create it here? I think we did, right? Yeah, detect in an image. So I guess it will be the same thing. I think we can copy the image prompt and we'll call it, how did I name it? Detect an image. Not sure how to do it. Should I do it? Yeah, I think I want to do it. Yeah, so I've forgotten how the, so if I go, let's go to detect GitHub and F and media library. Oh, I could have done it in VS Code too. If we go into the code and the service, AI service, so it needs to start with detect. Okay. That's just a prompt. Yeah. So if we go back here, so the prompt, that's the thing I need to change. So instead of prompt, will be detect. The parameter, the what prompt? Let's call it detect. Yeah. I think we don't need to have it multiple line for that one. And we'll go see, like, for example, face, person, car, etc. Yeah. I think I don't. Yeah, let's. Oh, I need the default. Then nothing. Yeah. And now the value needs to be text, and then the text is detect semicolon, and then what I'm looking for. No, column, I'm guessing. Okay. But how do I do this here? Do I do this like that? I don't think this is very useful. I code better than every clone model, in fact. I'm a god indeed. Hey buddy, how are you? So I think for this we're good. So now we could go here and we'll add, we'll import, yep. Yeah, detect in image. Oh, because it's never used. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 sec. 1 second. Voila. That should be good now. Little bored. I'm rookie in these things. Watching live to learn. Yeah, that's good. That's a good way to learn. But today there's a little bit of code because I want to make sure everything works. And like I'm not... Well, we use AI a little bit earlier. I wasn't sure. But yeah, today it's true that like I'm coding manually a lot. I think we're ready. Let's give it a try. Let's just rebuild it. And I need to restart the container. So now I could go here. Let's refresh this pane. I will need an image. Maybe I can do cat from this image. Oops. Okay. So let's remove this. Let's add a new node. Recraft Vision. Let's do a detect in an image. Cool. So it's detect. Let's specify the object or feature to detect in an image. Let's go. Cat. Image URL is this. And that's it. So if I do this, it should return the coordinates. Yeah, a box 50. Cool. I wonder if we could now create an image. How could we create an image? Add some... Oh, that could be cool. I truly don't understand how OG. What's OG? Like you. What's OG? Sorry. Can coding manually. Old people? Old guy? It's very hard. In fact, I know I can do it. It's crazy for the... I mean, it's fun. That's what I like to do. You know, yeah. Cool, so we did it. So it's done. One thing we could add is another node that would render that images with the red square, right? If I go into README, if we go here in the preview of the README, that, for example, that image here, like we could make a node that receive the input of like the box and the image and then like combine the two. So we could do that. That could be interesting. But I think it will be for another day. I think it will be for another day. Yeah. Yeah, original gangster. Old guy. That's what you meant. I know you did. I know you. It's okay. It's okay. I will survive. I will survive that. Okay, so, cool. We did it. We did it. So we can come here, come here. I was watching a comedian the other day. It's a French comedian, and he was talking about this father pretending knowing how to speak English. So it was like, hey, dad, how do you say blah, blah? I forgot like all the example, but one of the examples is, how do you say to someone to come here? But like in French. And oh, that's easy. You say, hey, you, come here. And oh, that's good. Say, how do you say to go over there? Say, oh, you go over there and then you say, come here. Okay, did we forget any little thingy? I think we're good. I think I remove all the little placeholder thing. Oh, so you're French? Yeah. So I say, comment tu dis va là-bas? And he say, okay, tu vas là-bas, and then you say, come here. That make me smile. Are you French from France? Where are you based? I want to know. I think we have everything. So I think we can commit all that and do this. And then commit. And let's have a look to what we are about to push. So it's all those things in the n8n Vision chat. Wonderful. So we can go and github.com, leave. I think, whoa, that's big. I think we can go. I need to clean up my repository. I have too much repository. So it was okay. It was here. Excellent. Cool. Love that. So let's go over there. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I think that's about it. And in terms of time, I'm doing good today. Pretty happy about it. I think I will wrap it up, and we can raid someone maybe. How many people, or just very few? So we won't raid, I think, then. But let's wrap it up. How do I wrap it up again? We wrap up doing this, Frank. Can stop this here and doing like this. Now summary is over there. I know I'm looking the other way, but I should mirror that thingy. So today we did work on the Recraft n8n connector for Vision AI. It was good. We did a good stream today. GT was the champions today with 55. I'm the second one, and Freda, no surprise, is still in the top 3. The biggest loser, I won't say his name. I don't think he's still with us. No, he did left, so I could, but I won't. So I'm not rubbing it in. And the super participant is GT with 11 drops. Awesome. And we can do this. Voila. So thank you, everybody. it was a good stream. I think we had like a winner. Oh, GT, you're still there. So yeah, so it was a good stream. Very happy about it. Made good progress. So I think I will be pushing the new version of this connector. Right now, if I'm not mistaken, we are at version n8n reached out and they asked me to change the automation. So I had like a few, as you can see, a few issue. So I published last time the 06 version, and then it took me 4 times to make their little automation pipeline. It's not true. They asked me something when I was like, you know what, if I'm doing that on top of it, I'm doing it. So every time I push, everything happened magically, automagically. I love that word, automagically. So it took me 4 tries to do it. So I think we'll be ready to publish version 07. That's pretty cool. I may try to do offline, though I don't have a lot of time, but I may try to work on the node to make more images, but I feel like it will be complex. I don't know. Before you quit, said whatever to learn a little bit more faster about coding, help with AI. There's one guy I really like, AI Hero. I think he does a lot of good stuff. Structure a lot is taught on about. He focused on Claude. I don't know why I'm saying it in English. It's a French name after all. So there's that guy. I'm assuming there's some tooling on the Microsoft Learn, like, though they could be very focused on like Foundry and things like that. I would say go on like Open Code is another one that I like because there's a lot of, you could do a lot with free stuff. Maybe there's place here to if you read the docs and stuff like that. What else? Oh, there's you know what? If you can join the Discord and ping me, I will. There's some YouTubers, but I don't have them on top of my mind. But I can share those links with you. But ping me on Discord. You should find the link somewhere. Maybe I have it. I have it. Do I have it? Discord. Is it a function I have? No. One second. I can do better than that. I can do better than that. If I go here and do this and say this. Can I do that? Well, I'm typing at the wrong place. Voila. So go there and just ping me, and it will be easier. Like I think I have some ideas of like YouTubers who are sharing often, but then after that, you need to spend time trying to do stuff. So you need to decide, okay, I want to do whatever app that makes sense for you. If you're, I don't know, like let's say you're you like to play video games, so maybe you build like an application to visualize the collection of your names of games and stuff like that. I don't know, find something that interests you and try to build an app using AI. One of my friend was like a dad of a small family. He's trying to build an app to manage the food. Just try to find something that interests you and to build, so you have like a defined goal instead of just trying to do an app. It's like, okay, I will do like a to-do app, and like that would be boring, and AI can do it in a snap because there's tons of it. But if you have a specific idea in your mind, then you bind AI to do what you want. And that's when you learn the most. So have fun. I will get back on stream. I should be. I know I skipped last Friday. I was really not feeling good. So, but I should be fine this time. We'll be working on Friday. Maybe on the Android app, or maybe something else. We'll see how it goes. Bye, everybody. Oh, I have a scene. It's true now. I have a scene ending scenes. Bye, everybody.